Hi, it's Josh here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and we're in the dyno this morning. We've got a 2018 Kawasaki Z900. The bike's totally standard, and like I said, it's been in for a full ECU remap. But first, I'm going to introduce you to somebody who's new. It's Conrad. This is the first bike that he's completed mapping, so he's going to do all the final run, and then he's going to run through everything that we've achieved.
As you can see from the graph, the red line is before the map. As you can see, the fueling was all over the place. Throttle was really snatchy, and in terms of power gain, we've got 13 brake horsepower, just about, in the mid-range. If you look at the fueling, after the map, fuel's way better, feels way smoother. It's not going to be snatchy at all, down low in the rev range. So yeah, for a fully stock bike, that's really, really good, especially throughout the whole mid-range. Got a little bit of peak gain as well. So yeah.
What's the peak gain?
So for the peak gain, you've got 7.4 brake horsepower and about 7 foot-pounds of torque as well.
So what's your top figure? That's what everybody cares about.
So that's 121.5 brake horsepower for the maximum, up from 114. So it's really, really good, especially considering the bike is fully stock. So yeah, if you'd like yours doing, give us a call. Cheers.